Welcome to the Java programming series, and today we will understand how to write down the program to print maximum digit from the given number. So it's very interesting program. Consider an example. Let's say we have a number 3247. We have to print the output 7 because we have a maximum digit, it's a 7, right? Consider another example 4353. So we have to print the output 5 because 5 is the maximum digit in the given number. So before we jump into the program, let's try to understand the program definition and let's try to find out what are the input required in this program. So we have to print max digit from the given number. So we have to take one number as an input. So let me just try to take one number. So I will just use the scanner class here. So scanner sc is equal to new scanner and we have to pass system.in. And let me just take one number. Let's say integer number is equal to sc.next integer. So we are just taking one number from the user. Perfect. Let's try to understand what are the output required in this program. So output, we have to print the maximum digit from this number. So basically we have a collection of number or collection of digit and we have to compare all the digit each other. So if you want to compare the digit, then definitely you have to separate the each digit from the number, right? And we already did the program to separate each digit from the number. So let me just try to write down that program to separate each digit from the number. So we have a while loop. We have to execute till number is greater than 0. Then we have to print the last digit from the number. So it's a number modulo 10 and we have to remove the last digit from the number. So I can just write down number is equal to number divided by 10. So this program will separate each digit from the number. So let me run this program. Let's say we are just entering something. So you can see it is printing each digit of the number into the separate line. Perfect. Now we don't have to print each digit of the number. What we need to do, we have to find out the maximum digit from this number. So let's try to focus on the logic now. So forget about Java. Let me give you some couple of numbers. You just have to tell me which number is the biggest number. So let's say 2 and 3. So which number is the biggest number? So definitely your answer will be 3 is the biggest, right? Let me give you another number. Let's say 5. So now which one is the biggest number? So definitely now your answer will be 5 is the biggest number. Okay. Let me give you another number. Let's say 4. Now which number is the biggest number? So definitely your answer will be same. 5 is the biggest number. Okay. Let me give you another number. Let's say 6. Now which number is the biggest number? So your answer will be now 6 is the biggest number. Okay. Let me give you another number. Let's say 10. So which number is the biggest number? So your answer will be 10 is the biggest number, right? So what we are doing, first of all, whatever number we have, we are just considering any number or we are just trying to consider one number as a biggest number. Then we are just taking the next digit and we are just trying to compare. So whatever next number we are getting, is it maximum than my current maximum? Yes, then we are just saying that this is maximum. Again, we are comparing whatever next number we are getting. Is it maximum than my current maximum? No. Then our maximum is this, right? So same logic we have to apply here. So we are getting the collection of digit here. Each time we are getting the next digit from here. So we have to take some variable to store my maximum number. So let me just try to take, let's say, integer maximum. Okay, so here I will just store my current maximum number. And I don't have to print each digit into the console. So I will just try to remove the system.out.println. And this expression will give you the next number each time. Perfect. So what we need to do? We just need to add one condition. If whatever next number we are getting, it's greater than my maximum number. Yes. Then we just have to say whatever next number we got, that is my maximum. So maximum is equal to number modulo 10. So whatever next number we are getting, is it greater than my maximum number? Yes. Then we can say this is my maximum. So we just have to continue this while loop till the time we are checking all the numbers. And finally, we can print the value of maximum number. So it will print the maximum digit from the given number. But what will be the first value of maximum number, right? You can say we have to initialize, right? We can't initialize with 0 because in the number, if we have any digit in minus, then our program will not work perfectly. So what we need to do, first time we have to initialize with the first number. Okay, so I can just write down number modulo 10. So first time my max value, I will just take first number. So my first number will be the last digit. So let's try to understand the execution of this program. So here, first of all, let's say we are initializing the number, right? So we are taking some number from the user. So take an example, let's say user is entering the number which is 3, 4, 5 and 2. And let's take an example, the maximum. So maximum we are initializing with the last digit from the number. So last digit from the number, it's 2, right? So initially maximum value will be 2. Now we are checking number is greater than 0. Yes, 3, 4, 5, 2 is greater than 0. Now number modulo 2, which is it 2, greater than maximum, which is 2. So 2 greater than 2, condition is false. It will just do number is equal to number divided by 10. So now number is 3, 4, 5, right? Again it will check number is greater than 0. Yes, number is greater than 0. So number modulo 10, it's a 5, is greater than maximum value. So maximum is 2. So 5 greater than 2. Yes, condition is true. So maximum is equal to number modulo 10, which is the 5. So now maximum is 5. Again we will do number is equal to number divided by 10. So now number is 3, 4. And again we will check number is greater than 0. Yes. Then find the last digit. It's a 4. 4 greater than maximum, which is 5. So 4 greater than 5. No, condition is false. Then just remove the last digit from the number. So now it's a 3. So 3 greater than 0. Yes. So now 3 greater than 5. 3 greater than maximum, which is 5. So 3 greater than 5. Condition is false. Then just remove the last digit from the number. So now it's a 0. Okay. And it will check the condition. 0 greater than 0. Condition is false. So finally it will print the maximum digit from the number, which is the 5. Perfect. So let's try to execute this program with the different number. Let's try with the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it should print 5. Perfect. Now let's try with the another set of number. Let's say this number, and we are getting the 6 as a maximum number. Perfect. And let's try the last number. Let's say 8, 3, 4, 5, 7 and 9. So this time it should print 9. Perfect. So we have solved the program to find the maximum digit from the number. Still, if you have any question in this program, feel free to write it down into the comment section. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any comments regarding this video, try to write down into the comment section. Thanks everyone, and we'll see you into the next video.